Hey everybody, it's Ashley, Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. We're located in Colfax, North Carolina. We are by appointment only, and you can reach me at 828-773-4500. This is a 2017 Shadow Plus Pack. So this is a 5.5 foot short wall. It's got an added air conditioning with an insulated ceiling in the dressing room. An added awning. It does have a rear ramp. It is all aluminum. It is 6'9" wide, 7'6" tall. It does have an escape door. It's the lighting, I can get the color better on this other side. It's actually kind of a gray, charcoal gray, so it does have an escape door. So drop down windows with the bars. It does have extrusion on the side, front to back. It does have a rear ramp. It does have a swing out saddle rack and collapsible rear tack. Load light. So again, this trailer is all aluminum. These are great. This is a great trailer. I sold these new for several years. So this is a great little trailer to get started with. Great weekender. It does have fully lined and insulated horse box with roof vents. It's got two tie rings per horse. Nice padded dividers, pretty sturdy dividers. This is a Pro Series, so this is the nicer end of the line. Definitely a bit beefier dividers, fully lined and insulated horse box. So a couple wear and tear things. There's a little bit of wear on the chest bar here. It looks like a horse kind of chewed on it. The front's fine, but that outside backside has got a little chew marks on it. It does have a walk-through door. I'll go through that dressing room here in just a minute. It does have a rear bus drop window. I'm going to show you, see how there's a bubble in the mat? I know this looks really funny. It's actually not an issue other than some kind of chemicals gotten dropped on that at some point. They say it happens sometimes at the factory. So I do have a new mat on order for this trailer. So just to kind of point out, if you see that in my pictures and my videos, it's nothing but a flaw in that mat. There's nothing under the floor causing that issue or anything like that. It's strictly the mat. This is an aluminum floored trailer. We pulled mats. Trailer is in excellent condition. Floor rather. So let me back out and I can kind of give you an idea of the color on this other side because the sun is so bright. Okay, now you can kind of see the color. So it's charcoal gray. You can see the big bus window. Also in the living quarters area. It's not really a living quarters, the dressing room, excuse me. These were actually kind of made to where you could put a living quarters in one though. It's kind of already got a couple key components done. Ceiling insulated and got an air conditioning already on it, an awning already on it. It's just kind of the concept. All right, so full escape door. A couple scratches on that door, not of anything of any concern. So it's a big, like I said, it's a big 5.5 foot short wall dressing room. It has been, the electric's been done in it correctly with a breaker box, and it does have a 110 outlet, so that's nice. So as you can see, the ceiling is insulated. Air conditioning unit. Windows in the nose. Big window here on the side of the trailer. Walk-through door. It does have a 30 amp hookup, and you do have a cord that goes with that. You can put that saddle rack in here if you'd like. It can come here or it can go in the back, and the back does collapse up. So a good bit of room in this trailer. (2017) Shadow 3-horse plus pack. Carolina Trailer Sales, carolinatrailersales.com. You guys have a great day.